Tennis thinking about upgrading your padel game this year? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 padel rackets of 2025, the perfect mix of power, control, and comfort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player here in the UK, you'll want to see which racket takes the number 1 spot. Stick around, because number 1 might just surprise you. Backhand index pointing right. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates, and check the links in the description if you want to grab any of these rackets yourself. Number 5. The Adidas Adipower CTRL 3.2 is one of the most balanced padel rackets in 2025, designed for players who demand precision without compromising on power. Built with dual exoskeleton technology and power embossed ridge, this racket offers superb stability and control during intense rallies. Its carbon aluminized surface gives you extra durability and responsiveness, ensuring crisp shots every time you hit the ball. What makes it stand out is its control round shape, which enhances maneuverability and offers a larger sweet spot, perfect for defensive players who rely on placement and tactical play. At the same time, the EVA high memory core provides excellent power transfer, making it equally effective for smashes and aggressive shots. The design is also worth mentioning: sleek, modern, and unmistakably Adidas. It feels premium in hand and performs like a true professional racket. In terms of price, the Adidas Adipower CTRL 3.2 retails around £220 to £250 in the UK, which is fair given its advanced build and performance benefits. Overall, this racket is ideal for players looking to combine control, power, and comfort, making it a strong contender in the top padel rackets of 2025. Number 4. The Head Graphene 360 Plus Alpha Touch / Motion 2025 is a premium padel racket designed for players who value precision, comfort, and versatility. Featuring Graphene 360 Plus technology, it provides enhanced energy transfer and stability, giving you smoother power with every strike. The Smart Bridge system also ensures excellent vibration dampening, protecting your arm while maintaining great feedback on the ball. Its teardrop shape delivers a perfect balance between power and control, making it suitable for both attacking and defensive players. The power foam core creates impressive responsiveness, helping you generate explosive shots without sacrificing comfort. What truly stands out is the racket's optimized sweet spot, which offers consistent performance even on off-center hits, a real advantage during fast-paced rallies. Design-wise, the Alpha Touch / Motion 2025 has a sleek and modern aesthetic, with a lightweight build that ensures superior maneuverability, especially at the net. Whether you're smashing, defending, or volleying, the racket adapts brilliantly to all styles of play. In the UK, the Head Graphene 360 Plus Alpha Touch / Motion 2025 is priced around £200 to £240, making it an excellent investment for intermediate to advanced players who want a high-quality racket with all-round performance. Number 3. The Nox AT10 Genius Attack 18K, or 12K, is a top-tier padel racket developed in collaboration with professional star Agustin Tapia, tailored for players who thrive on aggressive, attacking play. Built with a diamond-shaped head, it offers maximum power, making it an ideal choice for finishing points with authority. The 18K and 12K carbon fiber faces differ slightly. The 18K version delivers a stiffer, more responsive feel for explosive shots, while the 12K provides a touch more flexibility and comfort. Both versions integrate EVA HR3 core, ensuring superb ball output with a controlled yet powerful response. One of the standout features is the dynamic composite structure, DCS, which reinforces the frame for enhanced durability. Additionally, the racket includes AVS anti-vibration system, helping reduce arm strain during intense rallies, a thoughtful design for players prone to tennis elbow. Visually, the AT10 Genius Attack is striking, with premium finishes and an aggressive design that mirrors its performance on court. Its slightly heavier balance makes it best suited to intermediate and advanced players who want to dominate from the back and at the net. In the UK, the Nox AT10 Genius Attack 18K per 12K retails around £250 to £280, reflecting its professional-level build and exceptional performance. Number 2. The Babolat Technical Viper 2025, Juan Lebrón Edition is a racket built for players who live for power, precision, and flair. Designed in collaboration with world number 1 Juan Lebrón, this racket is tailored for those who like to dominate rallies with explosive smashes and sharp attacking shots. With its diamond-shaped head, the Technical Viper instantly sets itself apart, offering a higher sweet spot that's perfect for overheads and aggressive play. The 12K carbon fiber face paired with the XEVA multilayer core provides a lethal combination of raw power and controlled response. Each layer in the core is designed to adapt, softer layers for comfort and harder layers for that explosive punch when you need it most. Another key highlight is the 3D Spin Plus technology, which enhances grip on the ball, allowing players to generate more spin and add variety to their shots. The VibreAbsorb System Superscript 2, developed with SMAC technology, minimizes vibrations, reducing strain on the arm during long, intense matches. Visually, the Juan Lebrón edition is stunning, featuring a bold, modern design inspired by Lebron's fiery playing style. It feels premium in hand, perfectly balancing aggression and finesse. In the UK, the Babolat Technical Viper 2025, Juan Lebrón edition, is priced around £280 to £300, positioning it as a top choice for advanced players who want a racket worthy of the Pro Tour. Number 1. The Bullpadel Vertex 04, 2025 edition, is one of the most anticipated Padel rackets of the year, designed with advanced players in mind who crave raw power without losing control. Worn by professionals on the World Padel Tour, the Vertex 04 has become a benchmark for aggressive and versatile performance. This new edition continues with its diamond-shaped head, placing the sweet spot slightly higher, which makes it perfect for overhead smashes, volleys, and powerful attacking shots. The racket features Sten Carbon 12K on the surface, ensuring stiffness and durability while delivering explosive power. Inside, Bullpadel has equipped it with the Multi-EVA core, which combines two densities of EVA foam, softer for control and harder for maximum power when striking. To enhance comfort, the VibreDrive system absorbs vibrations, protecting your arm during long and demanding matches. Additionally, the Air React channel frame ensures excellent aerodynamics, making the racket more responsive and maneuverable despite its powerful design. A standout feature is the custom weight system, allowing players to fine-tune the balance and weight distribution of the racket depending on their playing style. In the UK, the Bullpadel Vertex 04, 2025 edition, is priced around £280 to £310, making it a premium option for players who want a professional-grade racket that delivers both precision and explosive power. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.